Hello friends, today's topic markets up at the end correction U-turn. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After a big fall of close to 3% for Indian markets yesterday, markets rallied in today morning by more than 1% but finally closed 0.2% lower due to profit booking. So, in a way, it took a U-turn after the good rally today morning. Since COVID in 2020, Indian markets have been the best performing large market in the world. Performance of various indices. Nikkei Japan 1-year returns 3%, 3-year returns 22%, 5-year returns 67%. DAX Germany 1-year returns 9%, 3-year returns 10%, 5-year returns 48%. Nasdaq USA 1-year returns 16%, 3-year returns 18%, 5-year returns 134%. Hang Seng Hong Kong minus 15% 1 year, 3-year return minus 36 and 5-year returns minus 36%. Nifty 50 India 1-year returns 23%, 3-year returns 48% and 5-year returns 117%. CAC France 1-year returns minus 2%, 3-year returns 5%, 5-year returns 34%. Nifty 50 has done as well as the Nasdaq for the last 3 to 5 years. The mid cap and small cap indices have done even better. One of the main reasons for this is the strong fundamentals of the Indian economy and also the good inflow of investments from retail investors to DIIs such as mutual funds, insurance companies, etc. Indian markets have created one more record. It has been 52 months since the Nifty 50 index has not fallen by more than 5% or more. Since March 2020, when Nifty 50 index fell by 23% in just 1 month, there has not been 1 month when Nifty has fallen by more than 5% or more. Best monthly performance of Nifty 50 since March 2020. April 2020, 14.68% up. November 2020, 11.39% up. July 2022, 8.73% up. August 2021, 8.69% up. December 2023, 7.94% up. December 2020, 7.81% up. Worst monthly performance of Nifty 50 since March 2020. June 2022, minus 4.85%. November 2021, minus 3.89%. September 2022, minus 3.75%. December 2022, minus 3.48%. February 2022, minus 3.46%. May 2022, minus 3.03%. The previous record for Nifty was 38 months between May 2012 and July 2015 when Nifty did not fall by more than 5% on a monthly basis. Also, between February 2016 and August 2018 for around 30 months, Nifty did not fall by 5% or more on a monthly basis. So the period March 2020 till date has been fantastic period for Indian markets. It can be called dream run for investors. During this period, the SIP in mutual funds, the direct investment in stocks by retail investors has increased significantly. The number of demat accounts has increased from around 4 crores in March 2020 to more than 16.68 crores as of July 2024. Although market rising is beneficial for all investors, it does not teach many lessons to investors since rising markets make them overconfident and complacent. The investors who have started investing in the last 3 years or so in Indian markets must be having a false sense of knowing everything and the markets will never fall significantly. Yesterday's global market fall was severe in other countries but was not much in India. New investors may believe that markets always recover after a fall and invest for short term without doing any technical analysis. This is not true. It will be understood when there is period of sustained weakness in our markets similar to the ones seen in the past. Another thing which has lost importance in the last few years, the importance of fundamental analysis since large number of stocks without any proper fundamentals have given good returns. However, the opinion of experienced investors is that sooner rather than later, stocks will follow fundamental analysis, and many investors who ignored quality stocks will regret their decisions. If you have made profit from stocks in the last few years, you must congratulate yourself. However, be honest and check what kind of stocks you hold and whether they are fundamentally strong and whether they can be held for at least next 5 to 10 years. Of course, this requires you to be good at fundamental analysis, for which you need to put the effort to learn so that it will help you create wealth in the long term. Continue to learn and be a student of the market. There is no need to become overconfident. Believe that you can control markets. At the end of the video, here is a question. As a long-term investor, which do you prefer? A. Markets to be dull or weak for the next 12 months, or B. Markets to rally and reach new highs in 12 months. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.